Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself on Microsoft Teams. So first, you may want to run the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop. Next is start a new chat or select a specific contact in which you want to send a recording of your video clip. And in our example, I'm just going to add a new chat. And from here, we're just going to start a new conversation. So, depending on the version of Microsoft Teams that you have, you should be able to see a record a video clip option when you click on the add button, and that will let you record yourself inside Microsoft Teams. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!